Engagement section shows the information related to users' engagement. The breakdowns are retention, segmentation, funnels, and live view. The retention subsection shows how many times your users return to the use after the initial use. Retention helps to see how many people continue to use your product and how updates affect people returning. To view how the data changes over time, you can select one of the free time options: 7-day, 14-day, and 30-day. On the table, day 1 shows the percentage of the people who returned from the initial use on the second day. Day 2 shows the percentage of the people who returned on the third day. Every row has its own users for the specific day's data from the starting point shown as initial use, for example, 15 August. In the menu, you can choose to see retention of new users or active users. Segmentation subsection shows you how to track the specific goals, for example, payments or submissions, with customized events. You can define the specific term that you would like to track with Botanalytics, and you define your own events to build a completely customized analytics solution for your bot. You can define the specific term that you would like to track on the event trigger field and specify the name of the event without any blank space. Then select the event type, for example, if it's an outgoing message or incoming message. Then click on Add Event button. You are all set. You will be seeing the event happenings on the graph. It shows how many times a specific event occurred. You can select the event you would like to see from the events list. Also, you can select the dates that you would like to see from the upper side. Funnels are the created paths of the predefined events. They help you measure the conversion rates of your bot's goals. For instance, you can track the purchasing completion rates on the bot. Every funnel has its own events showing the completion rates on the graph. Tracking the conversion rate of the goals and improving them is also good to focus. You can set a new funnel from the green button saying Set a New Funnel. First of all, you need to define the funnel name from here, and then choose the predefined events as following steps. After you choose the events from the drop-down, you can save the funnel. The graph will start measuring the funnel completion rates. With Botanalytics, you can always build your funnel later and analyze how users are going through it. You don't need to think in advance about the funnels you may want to create. It will appear once you build it. With Live View feature, you can take over the conversation from the bot and talk to the users at any time. What you need to do is first you click the user that you would like to talk with and open the conversation details. Then you pause the bot from the right bottom corner of the conversation by clicking on this green button. After, you can type what you would like to say to the user and send it. If you would like the bot to continue working, you can just click the button of Unpause. The bot will start to talk to the user again. While the agent is taking control over the bot doesn't send the messages to the user automatically.